Out here solo, bro. Yo, listen. I don't need nobody. I need me, my ammo, my firearms, and my subscribers. What's going on, y'all? Back at the range. Nobody out here. Just one maintenance guy. Well, not maintenance. He works here. His name Gary. There you go. It's gonna be my target. It's gonna be at lane 4, 25 yards out. Got my bag. I got all my firearms in there. Today I'm shooting the PSA dagger, of course. Got about 500 to 600 rounds on it already. I'm going to shoot my Tisa's PX9, the black one, and the FDE, and I'm also shooting the Taurus G3C. See what we do out here today. And the only reason why I'm always shooting at 25 yards in this range, it's bro. They got restrictions, man. If you're shooting pistols, you can only shoot at 25 yards. You can't shoot any closer. Don't ask me why, but Philadelphia, Holmesburg fishing game, you can only shoot at 25 yards. And that's the starting distance. So, it ain't like I want to keep shooting at 25 yards, but that's the rules, bro. Too many rules, you know? But I'm going to follow the rules if I want to shoot, right? So, gotta keep doing what I'm gonna do. So, yeah, at this place, you can only shoot at 25 yards, like I said. There's no rapid fire. You can only load 5 rounds in your magazine. What else? Not too much. So, alright, stay tuned. I'm gonna get everything set it up, and we get back, alright? Alright. It's cold out here, but that sun feels good. All right, clean target so far. Just place it up there. Number 4. My lucky number. Well, not lucky number, but that's 444. Anybody see that number all the time and it like means something to them? 444. Me too. Anyway, yo, come on, man. We at the range, man. Oh, guns and ammos and range and pistols and stuff like that. I'm talking about numbers and all that. I'm gonna be over there. Boom. I'm set up real quick. Out here solo, bro. Yo, listen. I don't need nobody. I need me, my ammo, my firearms, and my subscribers. Yeah, I do need y'all, though, yo. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for the support, bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate everybody who watching the video too, man. You heard? If it ain't with without y'all, I ain't got no channel. I can still do it, but who watching? So with that being said, yo, thanks for watching. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't subscribed, subscribe. Yeah, leave a comment and hit that bell up, alright? Let's get that out the way. So yeah, about to set up, yo. Damn. I said it's warm, but it's kind of windy out here. As you can hear that wind. Ooh, it's kind of brisky over here. Look, standing over there is pretty warm. In here, you in the shade. Chilly. Yeah. All right, y'all. Let me wrap up. I said wrap up. Let me stop talking and get ready. Hold up. All right, y'all. Let's get ready. Shoot 25 yards. 25 yards. I'm shooting my Tisa's. As you guys already know. Let's load up. I'm shooting 115 grain. Is it? Yeah, 120, 115. Like I said earlier, you can only load 5. Change the camera. That's not so bad. Shooting pretty high. Not bad. Could be better though. But at least I got it on the target, right? Yeah. Shoot the same gun, but an FDE version, alright? Same gun, just a different color, alright? So let's load up and see. Ooh, it's kind of cold out here, boy. It's a little brisky. I think I might have more than 5 in here, but let's just put one more. We be alright. Got that green fiber out the front. Let's go. To be aimed at the head. Huh? To be aimed at the head. Maybe like on this side of the circle. Try aiming at the head. That ain't so bad. Actually got a little closer to the target, to the bullseye, I mean. Alright, not bad, not bad, not bad. Now I'm gonna try my Taurus G3C compact. So let's see how this does at 25 yards. Alright, so let me load up and show you. Right here. Little baby magazine. Holds about, I think it's 14 rounds. No, actually 12 rounds. I don't know if that's 4 or 5, but let's go. It's 5 now. Alright. Let's go. A little compact. Like you told me. It's fucking right in there, right? Then eventually, after you get doing it, you'll start hitting in the ear. Alright, y'all. I didn't even see where it hit, because I'm pretty much aiming. Well, hopefully, y'all seen it. That was the Taurus G3C. Now I'm gonna try my PSA dagger. Show you the PSA dagger, y'all. Make sure it's clear. It is clear. It's got more than 5 rounds in here, but I'm gonna just shoot 5. ain't see where that hit at, so hopefully y'all seen it. But yeah, that was the PSA dagger. I don't know. Out of all these guns, the PSA dagger has more of a recoil. I don't know. That's the one that's actually a Glock clone, so feels like a Glock. Reliable as of yet. It's been 600 rounds. The Taurus G3 also is pretty good. Actually, all these guns are reliable and have no malfunctions, and they're all budget friendly. Because I promote that, of course. So, all right, y'all. I'm gonna shoot a little bit more, but keep it privately. I ain't even gonna record no more. So, thanks for watching, y'all. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Peace.